expenditure. Total, the 125 million. You check that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanong, Miss Acosta, what gave you the confidence? Ano ang nagbigay sa inyo ng lakas ng loob na ibigay ang buong 125 million kay Colonel Lachica, considering that he is not the accountable officer? Because it is you who is the accountable officer.
May approval po kay Ma'am Inday Sara.
And without the approval of the Vice President, will you give that to Colonel Lachica?
Hindi po.
Do you know Colonel Lachica?
Yes po, kasi siya po ang aming ground commander
How
ng
long
BPS.
have you known Colonel Lachica?
Yung na-employ po ako after 3 months, yung na-employ po ako sa OBP, ma'am.
How long have you known? Since 2022?
Yes po, ma'am.
Do you trust Colonel Lachica?
I trust Sir Lachica kasi ginatrust po siya ng aking head of office na si
In
Ma'am
other
Inday Sara.
words, the only reason why you're giving your trust to Colonel Lachica is because of the instruction of the Vice President.
Yes,
Tama po
ma'am.
ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Without the instruction of the Vice President, you will never give the entire amount of 125 million to Colonel Lachica.
Yes, ma'am.
And do you realize also, Ms.
Okay, now, Madam Witness, I'm showing you now a portion of the Joint Circular 6.1.1. Show the circular, please. And you will be aided, if you may, with a copy of the TSN through the assistance of, of the Joint Circular through Attorney J. Now, hindi po ba, ma'am, nakasulat sa 6.1.1 ng Joint Circular 2015-01, sinasabi dyan, under no circumstance funds it be used for liquidation of the previous cash advance o ito, or be transferred from one accountable officer to another. It's there. Tama po ba?
Sandali lang, sir.
Mm-mm.
Tanaw pa na ako ang page.
Opo.
Page 12.
Second sentence po ng 6.1.1. Ulitin ko. Under no circumstance shall confidential funds in particular be used or be transferred from one accountable, wala dyan, it refers to officer to another. Alam nyo itong provision na ito, tama po ba?
Alam ko po.
Alam nyo yan. Despite knowing that, you still binigay mo pa rin sa isang security officer yung pera despite knowing 6.1.1. Tama po ba?
Gidisburse po dako sa security officer, Your Honor.
This is the first time we're hearing that. Now, let's go to 6.1.6 of the Joint Circular. Okay? 6.1.6. Nakasulat dyan, ma'am. Confirm. No transfer of funds, appropriation through cash advances or any form of payment from one agency to another for purposes of confidential intelligence activities shall be allowed. So yung kanina, hindi po pwede yung pag-transfer from one accountable officer to another, worse, sa hindi accountable officer. And then you will confirm, based on 6.1.6, hindi rin po pwede yung pag-transfer ng confidential funds from one agency to another. Of course, alam nyo rin yung provision na iyan. Tama po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
And despite knowing that, pangalawang provision na bawal yung pag-transfer, binigay nyo pa rin kay Colonel Lachica yung confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Gidisburse ko po kay Colonel Lachica, Your Honor.
Disburse now,
Or release.
this time, the term you are using is disburse.
Disburse
That's
or
interesting.
release.
Now, Colonel La Chica is the ground commander of the Vice President Special Protection Group. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now, and then etong sorry, BPSPG ay isang unit under ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tama po ba?
Siya po, unit po yon sa Office of the Vice President, Your Honor.
Oh,
Ang BP is PGI, Vice Presidential Security Protection Group of
okay.
the Vice President, Your
Okay,
Honor.
now, hindi po ba the fact remains na si Colonel La Chica ay isang career officer pa rin ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tama po ba? Sundalo, si Colonel La Chica under the office of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tama po ba?
Member po siya, Your Honor.
Okay.
Official po siya, Your Honor.
And then the last hearing, hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba or hindi. Si Colonel La Chica.
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
That's a basis. That's a probing question to what the witness already answered. Answered rather.
Witness may answer. Kindly answer the question, Ma'am Gina.
Wala na ko to nasagot, Your Honor, kay dili man ko nagtrabaho sa HR, Your Honor.
Anyways, okay, thank you. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba as the Special Disbursing Officer, SDO, kayo po ay you posted yung tinatawag na fidelity bond with the Bureau of Treasury. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
Tama po, Your Honor.
At hindi rin po ba naalala nyo that you admitted na kailangan kayong mag-post ng bond dahil posibleng mawala nyo ang pagkalaki-laking pera. Tama po ba? To aid your memory, we will show you transcript of stenographic notes of that 2024 November 25 hearing before the Committee on Good Government of the House of Representatives. Show the TSN, please. Tanong, Ms. Acosta, hindi po ba kayo ay natakot magbitbit ng ganitong kalaking halaga na pera considering the possibility na baka ma-hold up kayo? Remember, you are covered by a fidelity bond, and one of the reasons is the possibility of losing this huge amount of money. Do you remember having answered that?
Opo, Your Honor.
You will agree na yung rason ba't kailangan mag-post ng fidelity bond yung isang accountable officer like you para maprotektahan yung pera ng bayan. Ibig sabihin, kung mawala yung pera, at least, may bond na po pwedeng makarecover yung bansa. Tanong, si Colonel La Chica ba nag-post ng fidelity bond or hindi mo rin maalala?
Ano, sir?
Okay, I will repeat the question. Sinabi natin yung rason ba't kailangan ng fidelity bond para maprotektahan yung pera pinaghirapan ng taong bayan. Tanong, si Colonel La Chica ba na pinagbigyan mo ng 125 million pesos plus 375 million pesos or a whopping total of 500 million pesos? Tanong ng bayan, Gina Acosta, si Colonel La Chica ba ay nakapag-post ng fidelity bond?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, what's the objection?
Misleading, Your Honor. I believe the witness has only testified as regards to 125 million.
Okay.
But there's no testimony yet as regards the amount mentioned by the counsel for the prosecution, Your Honor.
I will. Can I respond to that, Your Honor, please? I do
Kindly
remember,
respond, Attorney Ligutan. He has a point.
I do remember. Okay. I do remember this witness testifying. That's the same thing they did for the 3 quarters of 2023. I do remember that. It's
And
in
the question
record.
is quite simple. Tama ba yung tanong, Attorney Ligutan? Sa pagkakaalam niyo po, may bond po ba? May fidelity bond po ba si Colonel Lachica tulad niyo na SDO? Bonded po ba siya, ma'am?
Si security officer na si Colonel Lachica, na siya amo ang commanding officer sa BPSBG, dili po siya banded, Your Honor. Pero ang accountable pa rin, Your Honor, ako gihapon, Your Honor. I am still the accountable person, Your Honor. That's why po, Your Honor, ako po ang gumawa ng liquidation, Your Honor.
That is correct, ma'am.
Alright.
You have said that.
Yeah.
Attorney
Okay,
Ligutan,
now.
your witness.
Now, hindi po ba, ma'am, na para sa 3 quarters ng 2023, this is, I'll break the question down. You also gave 125 billion pesos para sa first quarter ng 2023 kay Colonel Lachica. Di po ba?
Nag-release po ako, Your Honor.
To Lachica.
Opo, Your Honor.
For the second quarter, 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica din. Unbundled si Lachica. You gave 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor. Kay
Tama.
siya po ang amuang security officer nga gitalaga ni Vice President Sara Duterte para mag-implement anang mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
Alright.
Kay
now.
siya man ang naay
sir.
access, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And for the third quarter of 2023, another 125 million pesos in cold cash to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Tama. So in total, kalahating bilyong piso na pera ng taong bayan binigay mo sa isang unbonded person.
As in answered, Your Honor.
Okay, the counsel is answering.
Witness may answer. Counsel is seeking emphasis and clarification.
Nirelease ko po kay Colonel Lachica, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang tinalaga ng Vice Presidente na siya po ang security officer, Your Honor. Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng mga project o program regarding sa operation ng confidential activities, Your
I will ask
Honor.
this question, Your Honor. Hindi po ba, ma'am, na sa iba't ibang tanong ko, paulit-ulit na yung sagot nyo kasi nga siya yung may alam sa pag-implement ng confidential activities. Hindi nyo rin po ba napansin na sa mga iba't ibang question ko sa iba't ibang punto, parang iisa na lang